Hi, my name's Ethan Reeves. I'm the developer of Extemp Genie, and in this documentation video, we're going to be doing an in-depth look at Extemp Genie's folder and collection system. So folders and collections are a way that you can organize articles by topic so you can access them quickly during the round. To access this feature, come up to the toolbar and click on Folders and Collections. So there's a couple things you need to know about folders and collections before we dive in. The first is that both folders and collections are part of your team box, which means they are synchronized between everyone logged in under your account, so all of your team members will have access to your folders and collections. You can edit them collaboratively, and all of the articles that you put into collections will automatically synchronize between all team members. The second thing you need to know is some general terminology. In Extemp Genie, a collection is a group of articles on a specific topic, and a folder is a thing that contains other collections. This is best if I just show it. So for instance, here we have a folder, as you can see by the little folder icon. We can open this up. We have now subfolders here, more folders, Middle East, ISIS, and this is a collection about the defeat of ISIS, for instance. So it'll become clear as I show you exactly what's happening. So the best way to demonstrate things is by doing. So there's been a recent diplomatic row between Qatar and several of the Gulf states. So let's say that we want to create a organized section, so there's a bunch of articles that we can look at during the round that we want to organize in advance. So the way we're going to do that is, if you look here, we don't actually have a Qatar folder under Middle East. So let's click on Middle East and then click Create Subfolder, and let's make one named Qatar. There we have it, and then let's click on Qatar and click Create Collection, and let's say Diplomatic Crisis. Great. And you can tell that this is a collection because it's got this little document icon next to it. To actually access the articles inside of a collection, you're going to want to click the Open button here. That opens it in the sidebar, and as you can see, there's no articles in this collection right now. So let's fix that. The place we're likely going to find articles is in the Extemp Genie database. So let's go click on Search, and we can search for Qatar. Now you can add any article or PDF to a collection from anywhere. You can add them from the article extractor, you can add PDFs, but for right now we're just going to add some articles from this search field. So, this looks like a good article, so let's put that into the collection. Over here, we've got a column called Actions. You can see Add/Remove from Team Box. That's not what we're looking for. Add to Collection. Perfect. Let's click that. And now we can select from a list of collections to add the article to the collection, or we can browse through the folders to find that collection. So in this case, it's going to be International Affairs, Middle East, Qatar, Diplomatic Crisis. Let's check that and hit Select. There we have it, added to collection. Now if you come back up to Diplomatic Crisis, the collection is open over here in the sidebar, and click on it. We can see that we've added that article to the collection. Now, of course, you can do that with as many articles as you want. Let's throw some more in here. Add to collection. This time we're just going to click here. Add to collection. So that's how you can add an article to the collection from the article list. You can actually open an article and add it to a collection from there as well. So I just opened this article. We can click Add to Collection. And there we have it. I just added 4 or 5 articles to this collection right here. Let's go back over and look at folders again. So this is the Folders and Collections page. So from here you can open and manage folders and collections. So I've shown you how to create a folder, how to create a collection, how to add articles to a collection, but you can actually organize all of this in any way you want. So you can create, for instance, a new top-level folder here. Let's make this, for instance, called World Economy. Create that, great. You can also use drag and drop to rearrange anything. So let's say for some reason that we wanted the Iran folder to be under World Economy, we can just drag and drop that there. And boom, there you have it. That's obviously in the wrong place, so let's put that back under Middle East where it belongs. Perfect. This is how to browse through folders and collections. You can also search by clicking on this tab. So let's say we're looking for stuff about Asia. And this is going to give us all of the collections we've created on Asia. Click Show in Folder, and that'll jump us back over here. So folders and collections are a way that you can organize stuff before the round. I would not recommend organizing every single article that you save yourself into a collection, because remember, Extemp Genie has search capabilities as well, which are very, very, very powerful. The way I envisage you using folders and collections is basically a collection is a set of articles on a specific topic that you know are really good and you know you can come back to. It's a highly curated, highly specific list of articles that you can use during a round to ensure maximum efficiency.